Have you ever wondered what makes you you? What gives you the ability to experience life, to feel, to perceive? These questions lead us to the realm of consciousness. This elusive phenomenon, consciousness, is the very essence that breathes life into our existence. It's the subjective experience that allows us to taste the sweetness of a ripe peach, to marvel at the vastness of the night sky, to feel the sting of a broken heart. We are not just biological machines. We are beings experiencing life in our unique ways. But here's the conundrum. As we delve deeper into understanding our brain, the organ believed to be the seat of consciousness, we run into a profound question. It's a question that has been termed as the hard problem of consciousness. This problem grapples with a fundamental mystery: why and how our physical brain gives rise to the subjective experiences we call consciousness. So the hard problem of consciousness asks, why and how does consciousness arise from physical processes in the brain? David Chalmers, in 1995, coined the term the hard problem of consciousness. But what does it actually mean? Let's break it down. At its core, the hard problem of consciousness is a philosophical conundrum that probes one of the most enigmatic facets of human existence: consciousness. This problem poses a question that is as simple as it is profound. Why do physical processes in the brain result in consciousness? Or to put it another way, why is there something it is like to be conscious? This isn't just about understanding how our brains process information or how we react to stimuli. It's about understanding why these processes result in the unique, subjective experience of being aware, of being you. To fully appreciate the hard problem, it's important to distinguish it from what Chalmers dubbed the easy problems of consciousness. Now, don't be fooled by the name. These easy problems aren't easy at all. They involve understanding how the brain processes sensory information, how it creates memories, how it controls behavior. They're about the functions and structures of consciousness. But here's the catch. Even if we could solve all these easy problems, even if we knew everything there is to know about the mechanics of the brain, we would still be left with the hard problem. We would still need to explain why all these processes result in consciousness. Why do they give rise to the subjective experience of being? Why does seeing red feel like something? Why does pain hurt? So in essence, the hard problem of consciousness is about understanding the very nature of experience. It's about why the lights are on, why there's an inner movie playing in our minds, why it feels like something to be alive. While we can study and understand the functional, dynamical, and structural aspects of consciousness, the hard problem is about understanding why these processes result in consciousness at all. The hard problem of consciousness is not just a philosophical conundrum. It has far-reaching implications in multiple fields. Let's journey into the realms of psychology, neuroscience, and even quantum physics, where the shadow of this hard problem looms large. In psychology, the hard problem challenges the fundamental understanding of human cognition and behavior. If we cannot explain why and how consciousness arises, how can we fully comprehend the complexities of the human mind? It's a question that adds another layer of mystery to an already enigmatic field. Turning to neuroscience, the hard problem is like a persistent itch that's impossible to scratch. Despite the remarkable advancements in mapping and understanding the human brain, the question remains: why does a certain arrangement of neurons generate conscious experience? It's not just about the how, it's about the why, and that's a question neuroscience struggles to answer. And then there's quantum physics, a field where reality itself is often stranger than fiction. Some theories propose that consciousness may be a quantum mechanical phenomenon, potentially tied to the very fabric of the universe. Yet these are still theories, and the hard problem remains as solid and impenetrable as ever. The hard problem also elicits a spectrum of reactions. Some deny its existence outright, arguing that consciousness is merely a byproduct of complex computations within our brains. Others turn to naturalistic reduction, attempting to explain consciousness as nothing more than the sum of physical processes. Then there are those who embrace panpsychism, the belief that consciousness in some form is a fundamental aspect of all matter. And of course, we have the mind-body dualists who argue that consciousness is an entirely separate entity from the physical body. Regardless of the stance one takes, the hard problem of consciousness continues to challenge our understanding of ourselves and the universe. It's an enigma that isn't going away anytime soon, a testament to the enduring complexity of consciousness and the fascinating mystery of existence.